The following is an audio program by the Conscious Evolution Institute. SAIZEN Human Growth Hormone Replacement Therapy. SAIZEN is one of a small but growing number of legal HGH hormone replacement therapy medications in the United States. SAIZEN is produced by the pharmaceutical company Merck Serono. Merck Serono is one of the largest drug manufacturers in the world and is based in Geneva, Switzerland. This company is not to be confused with the domestic pharmaceutical company Merck & Company, and in North America, Merck Serono is often known as EMD Serono. SAIZEN is an injectable form of synthetic human growth hormone. The history of HGH. Originally, HGH hormone treatments were made from real growth hormone harvested from human tissue, but in the year 1981, medical researchers were able to figure out a way to synthetically produce bioidentical HGH in a laboratory. Before it was possible to manufacture bioidentical human growth hormone, HGH treatments were far more costly than they are today, and as a result of this breakthrough, and others since, human growth hormone injectable therapy has continued to become cheaper and more affordable to the average consumer. SAIZEN human growth hormone is simple and easy to use. SAIZEN HGH follows in that legacy of making growth hormone cheaper and easier to use. The following are a number of products released by Serono in order to perform HGH hormone replacement therapy. SAIZEN HGH therapy administration devices. SAIZEN Cool Click HGH treatment. The SAIZEN Cool Click is a revolutionary means of delivering human growth hormone. Although the HGH is still delivered subcutaneously via injection, the SAIZEN Cool Click does not need a needle. The Cool Click works by producing a small hole through the skin, which SAIZEN human growth hormone is delivered. This tiny hole is produced using a spring mechanism. In the past, many people have been nervous about HGH hormone replacement therapy, because before this point, the only way to deliver HGH was directly through a potentially imposing needle. Many people just can't commit to any medical therapy which requires them to stick themselves with a needle every day. Although the SAIZEN Cool Click was the first needle-free means of delivering HGH hormone replacement therapy, EMD Serono has updated the design to increase ease of use, comfort, and accuracy, with an updated version known as the SAIZEN Cool Click 2. EMD Serono lists the following features of the SAIZEN Cool Click 2. Needleless delivery. This form of HGH delivery vastly reduces needle anxiety. Easy to read LCD monitor. The monitor displays dosing information and can ensure that a patient delivers exactly enough SAIZEN HGH in order to properly treat his or her HGH deficiency. Thoughtful shape and design. The SAIZEN Cool Click 2 is ergonomically configured in order to maximize ease of use. Reduce noise. The Cool Click 2 is much quieter than its previous design, allowing you to deliver HGH without bringing attention to yourself. Reverse dosage dialing. This mechanism allows the patient to adjust and readjust dosage at any point before administering HGH hormone replacement therapy. Alterable injection pressure. This HGH injection tool allows you to adjust the rate at which the spring mechanism pierces the skin, allowing you to minimize potential discomfort at the injection site. Safer than needles. Because of the way that the Cool Click 2 is designed, there is virtually no risk of accidentally pricking yourself. The spring mechanism only exposes itself at your command, and you don't have to cautiously prepare a needle for every injection. Delivers doses in both milligrams and milliliters. The Cool Click 2 can adapt to different measurement scales, allowing you to dose accurately in regard to both mass and volume. HGH therapy with SAIZEN EasyPod. Like the SAIZEN Cool Click, the SAIZEN EasyPod is another product produced by EMD Serono, which is designed with comfort and ease of use particularly in mind. The EasyPod is a simple-to-use injection device which quickly and accurately delivers injections of bioidentical HGH. The EasyPod is what is known as an easy injector. This means that the EasyPod is a means to deliver injections of HGH without the vigorous protocol of a standard needle injection. The SAIZEN EasyPod has the capability of quickly and automatically titrating the appropriate dose of HGH. Upon pressing the trigger button, the machine automatically provides an injection of human growth hormone, minimizing the amount of potential contact that you will make with the needle. The SAIZEN EasyPod exclusively uses cartridges known as SAIZEN Click Easy in order to deliver the intended dosage. The Click Easy device serves two primary purposes. First, the Click Easy is a reconstitution device. The SAIZEN human growth hormone is combined with a fully sanitized solution in order to both rehydrate anhydrous HGH and to convert the human growth hormone into deliverable form. Second, the Click Easy is a delivery device. The Click Easy is designed and shaped in a way which allows the patient to use it in combination with the SAIZEN EasyPod in order to maximize safety and ease of delivery. The SAIZEN EasyPod can be used repeatedly in order to deliver HGH injections, as long as it is properly maintained and new needles are used for each injection. The EasyPod has a large monitor which allows patients of all ages to see and understand the instructions and options provided by the device. The EasyPod also provides multiple means of decreasing discomfort associated with injection. The individual patient can adjust injection administration via 4 distinct settings: needle speed, injection depth, and injection time. HGH EasyPod settings. Needle speed. This setting adjusts the speed at which the needle is injected through the skin. Using this method is much more precise than performing a manual injection. Injection speed. This refers to the rate by which the SAIZEN human growth hormone is delivered into the body. This setting is a substitute for manually adjusting the speed using the plunger of a needle. Injection depth. With this setting, you can alter the depth at which the needle descends. Dependent upon the location of the injection, different depths may be required. In addition to this, some may find that deeper injections cause increased discomfort. Injection depth also depends on which needle is used by the patient. Injection time. This prompt controls the amount of time that the needle remains in the skin after injection. Some patients find it more comfortable to increase the time between injection and needle removal. The SAIZEN EasyPod also maintains a diary of past injections, allowing both you and your physician to have a record of your injection schedule. The goal of the SAIZEN EasyPod is to reduce the effort it takes to undergo safe and effective human growth hormone injections, while also minimizing pain or discomfort which can result from the use of needles. The EasyPod even allows you to input expiration dates in order to ensure that you dispose of your reconstituted synthetic human growth hormone as soon as it becomes expired and ineffective. SAIZEN One-Click HGH Injector. The SAIZEN One-Click is another means of injecting SAIZEN human growth hormone. Like the EasyPod, the One-Click is another injection device which focuses on being easy to use. The One-Click is a much simpler device than the EasyPod. This product is mechanical only and features no monitor or electrical equipment of any kind. The One-Click has an adjustable dial which controls how much human growth hormone you inject in a single dose. In addition to this, you can also adjust the depth of the needle injection manually. One of the primary advantages of the SAIZEN One-Click is that it is simple to use and simple to store, in addition to being easy to carry and conceal. Also, because the One-Click is a completely mechanical device, it is cheaper than the EasyPod while also being easier to use than a standard injection. The SAIZEN One-Click automatically delivers the HGH injection with a single click, minimizing the time it takes to deliver injection. The device itself also minimizes potential inappropriate contact with the needle. As with all forms of recombinant human growth hormone, the reconstituted solution should be stored at temperatures between 36 and 46 degrees Fahrenheit in order for the hormone to remain effective and useful. SAIZEN Click Easy. The SAIZEN Click Easy is the simplest injection device that Merck Serono provides. This product still has the capability of injecting human growth hormone replacement therapy quicker and more simply than a standard injection, but lacks all of the bells and whistles associated with other SAIZEN delivery devices. This product still minimizes needle exposure and also delivers a subcutaneous injection with a single click. This device is for patients who want a quick and easy way to inject HGH therapy without the need or desire to make a more precise adjustment with other high-tech injection devices. How is SAIZEN supplied? SAIZEN is generally provided to the patient via 2 means. HGH direct injection. For patients who are not interested in using the SAIZEN delivery devices listed above, there is the option of simply delivering the human growth hormone via needle and syringe. For patients who are interested in administering HGH in this way, SAIZEN is available in vials. SAIZEN vials are available in 2 different sizes. Both 5 mg vials and 8.8 mg vials are available. These vials contain lyophilized biosynthetic human growth hormone. HGH is highly sensitive in its normal form, and must be freeze-dried and hermetically sealed in order to survive periods of extended storage and transport. When the SAIZEN is ready to be used, the powdered HGH must be reconstituted with a diluent. The diluent is sterilized, clear solution that does not interact with the HGH molecule and can deliver the medication into subcutaneous tissue. HGH cartridge delivery. For patients who wish to use delivery devices such as those listed above, Merck Serono provides SAIZEN HGH cartridges, which are designed especially to be used with SAIZEN human growth hormone administration devices. SAIZEN cartridges contain both lyophilized human growth hormone and the sterilized diluent, separated by a small barrier. When you are ready to use the SAIZEN HGH cartridge in one of the devices listed above, you will insert the cartridge into the device and follow the instructions provided for the device in order to combine and reconstitute the solution. After the cartridge of human growth hormone has been activated and given time to fully hydrate, the solution is ready for injection. There are a few different options for the SAIZEN cartridge, and these options are dependent upon both the size and strength of your individual dose. SAIZEN questions. At what temperature should SAIZEN be stored? Like all forms of bioidentical human growth hormone, SAIZEN must be properly stored in order to remain potent. Lyophilized SAIZEN, which has not been combined with the diluent, can be safely stored at room temperature, between 59 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. After reconstitution, SAIZEN should always be refrigerated, except when it is immediately going to be used for injection. Reconstituted SAIZEN HGH should be stored between temperatures of 36 and 46 degrees Fahrenheit. Does SAIZEN contain preservatives? SAIZEN does contain preservatives in order to maximize the length of time that HGH is stable and usable. The vial form of SAIZEN contains benzyl alcohol, and the cartridge form of SAIZEN contains metacresol. How often should I take SAIZEN injections? The frequency with which you administer HGH hormone injections is completely dependent upon your physician's advice. Generally, injections are delivered once daily, just before bed, but there are a number of other options available which will not have a negative effect on your therapy. Nightly injections are thought to have the most beneficial effect on sleep and the cortisol cycle. Some prefer to take their doses early in the morning, or before engaging in exercise. Injecting before exercise is believed by some to increase the effectiveness of that exercise, reducing fatigue and the feeling of exhaustion. Some physicians even recommend that certain patients take 2 small doses each day rather than 1 larger dose once per day. It all depends on your age, goals, and needs as a patient. What are SAIZEN side effects? The majority of patients will suffer from no side effects, or only the most minor symptoms. The most common symptoms are injection site irritation and possible headaches. Adults may rarely experience increased blood pressure, joint pain, and swelling as a result of SAIZEN. If any of these symptoms occur, please talk to your doctor. This audio program was a production of the Conscious Evolution Institute. We encourage you to visit hgh.tv for more.